Hello and welcome everybody to my YouTube channel where I try to take apart and like reassemble stuff just to fix it or just clean it up. So tonight, because it's like 2 a.m. right now, I'm gonna be trying to replace a bottom screen for a Nintendo DS Lite. Even though this is just for a DS Lite, this should apply to other DS models as well. But I'm gonna list it as like how to change your bottom screen on the Nintendo DS. So, first thing you want to do is of course take this all apart. You'll have some screws on the bottom part. If you like open the battery compartment, you're gonna have a screw here, one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, and one here. The thing you want to take care of is like take these two covers off. Like there's gonna be two of these little black cover-ups for these two screws here and here. So you're gonna want to take these off carefully with one of these minus shaped screwdrivers. So some of these are tri-wing screws and some of these are four-wing screws, like Phillips screws. So you want to take those off and carefully lift this off the whole thing here. So if you have it open and you want to disassemble it to take the bottom screen off, you want to take off the screw here if you haven't already, and take off the screw here. Next thing you want to do is take off the shoulder buttons, which are going to be located here and here. Just take them off and try to not snap your fingers with the like the springs there. Yeah, so next thing you want to do is grab it like this, carefully lift it up, and like try to connect the bottom screen as well. So just turn it around like so. Next thing you want to do is carefully take it like your fingernail or some flat object, and there's gonna be a black thing here. You're gonna wanna lift this open like up, so it's like a latch that opens. So you just want to do like so. I'm gonna demonstrate it very roughly because I'm gonna take care of the camera taking it up and me actually doing the thing. So just like that, and you'll see that it's like lifted up. And now what you're gonna do is put this away and just like push the screen to the left a little bit, and it's gonna go right off. So this is one connector off, and the next thing you want to do is flip this back again, like assist it very well to not cause any damage. Put it back here, and then there's gonna be a little thing here, like right there. There's a little black square. You're gonna want to go behind this with a screwdriver like so, and just pry this open like that, so that it lifts up. So you're gonna see that the black square just lifted up. Then you can take this ribbon connector off like so. Now the ribbon connector is off. Now you can just lift this whole thing away, and now you got it. This ribbon cable is for the top screen, which is on the top part of the Nintendo DS, but I can't really take care of that right now because I don't have time and nerves to. So here you're gonna have the screen. This is the bottom screen and the digitalizer. So the ribbon cable we took off just now is for the digitalizer or touch screen, whatever you want to call it. So just put this away, and now we're gonna do this whole thing again, but just sped up. I'm not gonna commentate right now because I want to make this quickly to not make the whole thing too boring. So just take this screw off, flip this over like so. Like this. Take this off, flip it back over. Second latch for the digitalizer. Now you can just take the screen off. Now you have two screens here. And now for the assembly again, I'm gonna put the black screen and the black Nintendo DS. I'm gonna put the pink one and the pink one because I actually put them in the wrong ones when assembling them earlier. So just take your Nintendo DS that you want to put it back into. And so you wanna, yeah, have it like so. Just put the screen, like there's gonna be a hole here, and just have it just like this. Like the ribbon cable is gonna face you, and like go into here. Just put it like this, and there's the digitalizer ribbon cable right here. Then you wanna flip it over and make sure that the ribbon cable for the digitalizer goes over the thing, not under. And now this is a bit finicky and like a bit difficult to do, but like you want to have a really thin screwdriver, and this is going to be very difficult to actually record with the camera. So you want to put the ribbon cable back into its place. Which is kind of difficult. You want to open the latch, keep it open, just fill this into the place it's supposed to be in. Yeah, what I like to do sometimes is just close this thing, have it like so. Just take this off as well if you feel like it. This you can just take off like so. Just pry it off. But do it more gently than I do, because I don't really care about these, because they didn't cost me any money. But I am gonna like try to fix them like with the best of my ability. So here you wanna open the latch and put this into its place. Once it's in, it's not gonna have to be inside of it all the way. Like this is enough. Like this is enough. Just try to make it stable and just close it up as soon as it's in. It doesn't really look like it's in all the way. It kind of looks like it's loose, but that's completely fine. Just go with it, man. So don't cause too much damage to it. So to reconnect this, in case you took it off, just take this whole thing off a little bit and like spin it a little. And then you can just reconnect it like so. Just put it on it. Sheesh, this is a bit fiddly. Hold on. Yeah, you can't see anything right now. Sorry, man. So let's put this on it a bit better, man. Come on. All right, there it is. So with the white cable, you want to put it behind the thing here. Like it's gonna go behind this and go all the way behind it and come out right here again. So it's just gotta be like so. Make sure that the bottom screen is in its place. Huh. So, like this. And here you want to make sure that the white cable comes through this hole here and the split part here, so that it's just in this little valley here. As of the black cable, I just put it right where the white cable is as well, but you can probably just put it here as well. I don't know if that's a problem. Oh, that is a problem actually. Oh, nah, you can just put it here. Just make up your mind. As long as it's not in the way for the battery, because like this is the battery compartment. So make sure to not put anything in the place it's not supposed to be in. So next step is gonna be putting back the little screws, the small Phillips screw. Don't drop it like I just did. So just put this in this place here, this hole. And don't overturn it, right? Don't overturn it. You're gonna break something. As long as soon as it resists a little bit, just leave it as is. So, yep, this is fine. All right, now you want to take the shoulder buttons. So I don't know if this is like the end of the video. I don't know how long this has been going on. So if this is the end of the video, so I'm just gonna say bye. But if it's not, I'm gonna like keep going and leave this part in, like the assembly. All right. Good night. So in case this still went on. Yeah, this is kind of awkward. Let's just move on. So for the assembly, you want to take the left one, put the spring inside of it so that the not black, but this steel thing can fit through. So your product will be this little mechanism. And the left one is going to be on the right one because this is the reverse right now. So this is right and this is left. So the left one is going to be in this one. So it's going to be in this right here. Oh, I forgot to instruct. So take the other one and the other spring as well. Where's the other spring? Where's the spring? Can't find it. Professional at its best, dude. So where's the spring? Drop something again. I'm just gonna move on for the sake of the video. So just do the thing we just did again. This time with the right trigger button, shoulder button. Put the steel thing in here again. And now you wanna hold it so that it doesn't fall out, and just there's a little valley in here, like here. You want to put the spring end into there, and like the metal pillar is gonna go into this circle right here. Then you want to turn it and put it in its place. And now it's not going to move anymore. If this isn't working for you, it's jumping out all the time, try switching the springs. Because if you're using the wrong spring, the spring end will be too high and will be jumping out too easily, and it will snap your finger every single time. It hurts. So yeah. Next step is gonna be putting this thing back on, and make sure that you don't move the shoulder buttons too much, because they'll actually jump out. Before you do that, just make sure that hold on, let me take this out. That the power slider is gotta be inside here. You can figure this out yourself. It's not that complicated. This the one that looks like this has to be inside here, and the one with this the three like the 3 lines is gonna be inside here for the volume. I'm not gonna put both of them in. I'm just gonna put the one for the volume inside of it. So yeah, once you have the both of them in, you want to just put them on like so. Yep, I did it wrong. Jumped out. Oh. So yeah, you can just put it on. And make sure that the power slider is on the very same end as your power slider here, because like there's a thing that you can move, which is the power slider end. Just make sure that they're both on the left end of the whole thing. And you just put it back on. Make sure that it's nice and solid. You can make sure by looking here, if this U shape is inside of the U shape, then it's good. Next thing you want to do is take the golden screws. There's like these 2 golden screws here. These go inside of these 2 compartments. Put them both in. Then you want to take 1 small Phillips screw and put it in the top right of the battery compartment. I like to fiddle this in like so. In case you can see this on camera, I'll just play with it like so until it like goes in. Holy. Okay, I'll just take the magnetic one. Okay, now screwed in. Next thing is another small screw. Put it inside this hole, like the same one I just used as well. Make sure that you screw it in straight down. Now you want to take a longer tri-wing screw, put it in this compartment, take another one, put it in this compartment, and take another one and put it in the very edge compartment. Now just screw them all down. Be careful not to overturn them. You might damage something. We don't want that. We can take some risks, but not too many. You don't want to play dumb. Now you want to take your black screw. There's like a small black screw that I took out of here, the U shape. And just fiddle it in with your fingers. It's not too difficult, but kind of annoying if it falls into the cartridge slot. Oh, you can just use the magnetic screwdriver as well. It's kind of better. This doesn't even screw in too much. It's not even a whole turn. So before we proceed, let's just test if this is working. I don't know if this is working, but this shouldn't apply to you. Like, this is a bit faulty from my end. So just put in a battery. Make sure that the both golden contacts match up with both golden contacts here. Just put it in like so and put it down. Now you want to turn it around, power it on. I'm gonna have to take a screwdriver to power that on. Yep, this is not working. Yep. So I'm just gonna ignore this because this shouldn't apply to you. In case it does, you just have to replug the whole screen into the motherboard. I seem to have done it not properly or not completely the right way. I'm just gonna redo it. So then you want to just put on both of these black cover-ups for this part, right? Hold on, dropped it twice. Perfect. Over here, like right here and right here. I lost one of them, so just don't worry about it. Just do as you can. So yeah, now you want to screw down the battery compartment with a Phillips screwdriver. And you should have yourself a fixed Nintendo DS. I don't, because I bought a faulty one, and I kind of need to do more work until it is screwed down and fixed completely. So yeah, thanks for watching my video, man. Make sure to like let me know what you think in the comments, like just for some feedback so I can like improve. I don't know what I'm doing wrong or doing right, so just let me know, just some overall feedback. So thanks for watching, and yeah, enjoy your evening, morning, or night. Bye bye.